Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to share some information about the operators in Java. But before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and share it, and if you already subscribed, then enjoy the video. Now let's get started with the operators in Java. Basically, in case of operator, the symbol which helps to perform a particular operation with some operand is known as operators. So operators in Java is the symbol which used to perform the operations. Now there are various types of operators in Java. Some of them are listed here. That is assignment operator, increment decrement operator, arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, relational operator, logical operator, and ternary operator. From all the list I have discussed here the arithmetic operator and increment decrement operator. For other operators information, you can go through the links which are provided in the description section in my other video in this channel. So let's get started with the arithmetic operator, which is in the number 3 in the list. Basically, arithmetic operator performs the basic arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus or the remainder. So these 5 operator also known as the binary arithmetic operator, because it takes 2 operands or 2 variable to perform a certain operation or task. So this is known as the binary arithmetic operator. There are 2 more operators of arithmetic operator which perform with the single operands, that is single variable value, that is the unary plus and unary minus, which perform with the single operand. So we can put, suppose a is the operand, so we can put plus a as the unary plus and minus a as the unary minus. So unary plus means if the value of a is 5, then plus a means 5. If the value of a is minus 5, then plus a means minus 5. In this way unary plus operator works. Now the next one is the unary minus. In case of unary minus, if we put the value of a is 4, then the minus a as the unary minus become minus 4. But in case of a is minus 4 and unary minus, that is minus a, equals to plus 4, because minus minus generate the plus sign, or minus minus can be deducted. Next is the increment and decrement operator, that is plus plus and minus minus. Plus plus means it increment the variable value by 1, and minus minus means it decrease the variable value by 1. So we can put plus plus as increment and minus minus as the decrement operator in programming of Java. The increment and decrement operator also has the part, that is prefix and postfix. In case of increment, we can write the prefix as plus plus a and postfix as minus a plus plus. And in case of decrement, the prefix written as minus minus a and postfix written as a minus minus. The all increment and decrement operator, which is prefix or postfix, have different meanings. In an example which is given in here, I will discuss it, that how the prefix and the postfix in case of increment and decrement works. So in case of prefix, you can see here the plus plus x into 10, which provided the value x is 3 and y is 3. So we can increment the value of x by 1, then we can multiply it. So it will be 4 into 10 is 40. Again, y plus plus means the value will be put before the increment. So 3 into 10 will be 30. In this way increment, prefix and postfix work. Same goes for decrement. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press on the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.